Deductibles are a very important part of any auto insurance policy. Deductibles will determine how much you will come out of pocket when you file a claim. They also play a role in how much you will pay for insurance each month, so selecting the right deductible is very important. So what is a deductible? It's the amount you have to pay before your insurance company pays a claim. This generally applies when you're using your policy to pay. If the other party is at fault, you generally won't pay a deductible. The way it usually works is this: a higher deductible will usually lower your rates. The lower your deductible, the higher the rates. It's important to select a deductible that you can truly afford. If something happens, you will need to pay the deductible before a claim can be paid out. You won't always need to pay the deductible up front. In some cases, you just need to have it before the claim can be finalized. If you aren't sure what your deductible is, or you want to learn more, give us a call today. Our agents are licensed experts, and we can help select the deductible that's right for you.